Looking for information on backflow plumbing? Commercial backflow services. Most municipal codes will require the installation of a backflow prevention device at each cross-connection point found within the plumbing systems of apartments, condominiums, food establishments, and most public and commercial places. The type of backflow preventer required will be in line with the degree of hazard present on the premises. What is backflow? Potable, clean water flows under pressure through municipal water lines to homes and businesses. Backflow is the reverse flow of dirty water through the clean water lines. Dirty water can be contaminated with feces, pesticides, chemicals, fertilizer and other hazardous materials, and causes a serious health hazard. Backflow can occur at cross-connections between potable and non-potable water in any residential, commercial or industrial system. Backflow prevention. A backflow prevention device most commonly consists of a pair of mechanical check values that prevent dirty water from flowing back into the clean water supply in the event of an unexpected or drastic change in water pressure. If properly installed and maintained, a backflow preventer will keep drinking water safe and free of contaminants. Call us shortly for further information on backflow plumbing.